Was bored, just decided to hop in the car and go for a ride. Guess what I ended? Just looking at these beautiful clouds all over the place. It was a cloudy day, like a rain, and then it cleared, but I got beautiful views throughout the drive. And it was just around my neighborhood, and because it was more hilly area, so and these clouds were magnificent and they're like cute. Mm. Well, cute is not the right word, but magnificent and beautiful to watch. Look at the formation that they have, like gosh. Yeah, it just yeah, we won't have that until next year because it's spring and all these clouds, thunderstorms cleared. Maybe next video I'll post some real rain thunderstorm when I was driving. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, it just made my day. Yeah, just instead of sitting at home, I was able to enjoy these formations. I hope you liked it. Yeah. Bye.